Hello students, today I am going to start new chapter number 6, lines and angles. Now all of you know that about the angles. Angles are always found by the two rays. Suppose this is your one ray, this is another ray. If both the rays are joined end to end, then it makes an angle. So this is which angle? Acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. This one, yes, 90 degree right angle. Then this one, more than 90 degree obtuse angle. This one, this is the straight angle, 180 degree. And if it complete one rotation, then it is your 360 degree. Now to solve the exercise 6a, we need the concept of complementary angles and the supplementary angles. Complementary angles means if the sum of two angle is your 90 degree, then such angle is called as a complementary angle. Like this. Suppose this one is your 90 degree. If this is your angle 1 and this is angle 2, so angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. So angle 1 and angle 2 is your complementary angle. Now in another way we can say angle 1 is equal to, suppose your x. So angle 2 will be what? 90 degree minus x. See, complete will be your 90 degree. So if you subtract the x from the 90 degree, then it comes as a 90 degree minus x. So we can say x and 90 degree minus x is your complementary angles. Similarly for supplementary angles 180 degree, suppose this one will be your angle 1 and this is angle 2. So this angle 1 and angle 2 is called as a supplementary angle because sum of angle 1 and angle 2 is your 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now again if you take angle 1 is your x, then angle 2 will be, angle 1 is your x, angle 2 will be, this total will be your 180 degree. So this one will be 180 degree minus x degree or only x. So x and 180 degree minus x is the supplementary angles. So what is complementary angle? X and 90 degree minus x is your which angle? Complementary angle. And x and 180 degree minus x is the which angle? This is your supplementary angle. So we are going to use this concept to solve exercise 6a. So see the first question. Question number 1. Find the complement of each of the following angles: 25 degree, 40 degree, 58 degree and 77 degree. So I am solving number 1. So you have to start like this. Let the measure of an angle be x. Now find the complement of each of the following, that 25 degree. It means we have to find the complementary angle for 25 degree. And complementary angle means sum of the angle is your 90 degree. So one angle is your given, that is your 25 degree. Another angle is given as a x. We don't know. Now we need to find the value of x so that sum of the angle between this one, this x and 25 degree will give you 90 degree. That is complement. So according to the question, according to the question, x, you can use degree also, x degree plus 25 degree is equal to 90 degree. Why I am using this x plus 25? 25 is your given. I have to find the complement of what? Complement of 25 degree. That is why x plus 25 equal to 90 degree. So x degree is equal to 90 degree minus 25 degree. Subtract it, 10, 5, it will be 5. Here will be 8. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. So 65 degree is your answer. So in the same way you have to do for the 40 degree. It means here for the second part it will be x plus 40 equal to 90 degree. Then find out x. So take number 2, 3 and 4 as a assignment, homework. Assignment. Now come to the question number 2. Now question number 2 again very easy. Here you have to find the supplement of each of the following. So supplement. Now supplement means sum of the two angle is your 180 degree. So one angle is given 54 degree. If you take the another angle as a x, then x plus 54 will be your 180 degree. So solution number 1. Let you start like this. Let the measure of an angle be x. You can write x or x degree, no problem. According to the question, x plus 54 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because it is a supplement. If it is given complement, use 90 degree. If it is given supplement, use 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. Subtract it. 10, 4. This one will be 6. Here will be 7, 5, 6, 7, 2. And this is 1. So this is 126 degree. So 126 degree is the answer of this question. Now in the same way you have to solve 2, 3 and 4. So take this one as a homework. Homework. You try yourself. This one. Very easy. Just you have to take the sum. In the first case 90 degree and in the second case 180 degree. Now come to the question number 3. Find the measure of an angle which is 36 degree less than its complement. Now we have to find the angle which is less than complement. How much? 36 degree. So again you start like this. Solution number 1. Let the measure of an angle be x. Now according to the question. What is according to the question? That sum of the angles x plus x is equal to 90 degree. First of all we know that x plus x is your 90 degree. Now 36 degree less than its complement. Complement is what? 90 degree. So minus 36 degree. So this one will be your 2x is equal to 90 degree minus 36 will be your 54 degree. So x is equal to 54 degree divided by 2 which is equal to 27 degree. Now number 2. Again start like this. Let the measure of an angle be x. So according to the question, x plus x is yes 90 degree. This is we know that sum of the two angle is 90 degree if it is a complement. So now 36 degree more than its complement. It means plus 36 degree. More means plus, less means minus. So now solve it. X plus x will be twice x. 90 plus 36 will be 126 degree. So x is equal to 126 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 63 degree. Answer. So 36 degree less means 90 degree minus 36. 36 degree more than its complement means 90 degree plus 36. Now question number 4 is same, but this one you have to do for the supplement. So for supplement, what you have to take? You have to take x plus x equal to 180 degree. So number one, in the same way, let the measure of an angle be x. So according to the question, x plus x equal to 180 degree. So this is 180 degree. Now first one will be what? 36 degree less than. So yes, minus 36 degree. So solve it. 2x equal to 180 degree minus 36. You solve it and find out x. So I am giving this one as a homework for you. You try yourself, because this one is exactly same as question number 3. Only the difference is that question number 3 is for the complementary angle and question number 4 is for your supplementary angle. So for the second part, you have to do x plus x equal to 180 degree plus 36 degree. Then solve for x. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is your, if an angle differ from its complement by 10 degree, find the angle. So always you start like this. Let the measure of an angle be x. Now write down its complement also. Its complementary angle is equal to, yes, if x is your angle, what will the complementary angle for the x? 90 degree minus x. Now according to the question, if an angle differ, it means the difference between these two will be what? 10 degree. So according to the question, x minus 90 degree minus x is equal to 10 degree. So x minus 90 degree, minus minus become plus, equal to 10 degree. X plus x will be twice x, and 10 degree, bring this minus 90 there. So this one will be plus 90 degree. So this is twice x is equal to 100 degree. So x is equal to 100 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 50 degree. Answer. So difference between the two angles will be your 10 degree. Now question number 6. In question number 6, if an angle is 14 degree more than its complementary angle, what is its measure? So solution. First, let the measure of an angle be x. Then its complementary angle is equal to 90 degree minus x. Now according to the question, you find the equation. An angle is 14 degree more than its complementary angle. So according to the question, x is equal to, according to the question, what we'll write here? Here we'll write x is equal to, see, x is, this is the angle we want to find. X is equal to 14 degree more than its complementary. What is the complementary? 90 degree minus x. Plus, more means plus 14 degree. Solve it. 90 degree minus x plus 14 degree. bring this x here. So x plus x equal to 90 degree plus 14 degree. This one will be twice x is equal to 90 plus 14 will be, this one will be 4. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So x is equal to 104 degree divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So 52 degree is the answer. Is clear? X is the angle, unknown angle, which is equal to the 14 degree more than its complement. So complement of this angle will be your 90 degree minus x. More means plus 14 degree. Now question number 7. Find the angle which is double its complement. Very easy. Again you have to write, let the measure of an angle be x. Then write down its complementary angle. Its complementary angle is equal to 90 degree minus x according to the question. According to the question, what you have to write? X is equal to, find the angle. What is the angle? X. X which is double its complement. Double means 2 into 90 degree minus x. So x equal to 180 degree minus twice x. So bring this one here. X plus twice x equal to 180 degree. This one will be thrice x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 3. 3 6 are 18 and 0. So answer will be your 60 degree. These are very easy. Just you have to use the concept of supplementary and the complementary. Now question number 8. So find the angle which is 5 times its supplement. 5 times its supplement. So you have to start with what? Let the measure of an angle be x. So its supplementary angle is, equal to, yes, 180 degree minus x. Now it is your 180 degree minus x. After that, I am writing here. You see, okay? I am writing here. Rubbing this portion, homework portion I am writing here. So, say according to the question. X angle. The angle x is, see, find the angle which is 5 times. 5 times. Times means multiply. So 5 into 5 times of what? Its supplement. What is the supplement? 180 degree minus x. So 180 degree minus x. So x is equal to, multiply this one, 0, 5 at 40, 0, 5, this is 900 minus 5x. So bring this x here. So x plus 5x equal to 900. So this is 6x is equal to 900. So x is equal to 900 by 6. Now if you solve this one, 900 by 6, just solve it. 900 by 6 you will get as a 150 degree. So in this way you have to do the questions of exercise 6A. So what's your work today? First of all, you have to solve the exercise 6A in your maths copy, and the question which I have given for homework, that one you have to do in your A4 size paper, and after that you have to send only the homework question in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.